Hey beauties, my name is Chanel and today I'll be showing you guys up on this gorgeous half wig that I got on here today. It's also called the headband wig, as a lot of you guys know, but this one is such a vibe, y'all, especially for the summer. So if you want to know how I slay it and who is it by and all that jazz, then go ahead and keep on watching.
That's good.
Alright, you guys, so that's exactly how I styled it. Super easy. 1, 2, 3. I think LUVME here did amazing on this one, you guys. The link is going to be down below in the description bar, you guys, but she is such a vibe for the summer. I absolutely love her, and the length is like perfect, like just the right amount of length for the summer and the hot days ahead, like not too long and again not too short at all. I think they did absolutely amazing. The hair texture is super soft. I could not stop touching it, and the close-up on this one is just beautiful. Just imagine this one in person, you guys. This is definitely a wig or a half wig that I would definitely wear like on a go. But yeah, I think they did absolutely amazing. I love this texture. I love the density. I love everything about this one. This one is so cute. I like it fluffy and a little frizzy, but if you want it to be more put together, then of course you can just have it styled out just like you guys see me did earlier, and just do like less finger combing and touching and all that jazz. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. The link is down below in the description bar. LUVME hair, you did amazing. Make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, and definitely subscribe if you haven't done so, and like always, you guys, till next time.